And so what's up mga Lodi? For today's video, nag-crave ako ng something better. And sakto, I found the Better Pizza by Deli's Cheese Dough by Chef Rice, na may mga branches na all around Pampanga and other provinces in Central Luzon. Hindi lang siya basta masarap, budget-friendly din with a variety of flavors na for sure akong swak sa panlasa at sa bulsa. And SKL, meron din sila mga exclusive flavors na dito mo lang matitikman. So ayun na nga, umorder na ako ng ilan sa kanilang mga bestsellers at amoy pa lang literal na nakakagutom na. Kaya hindi ko na rin natiis, sa store pa lang tumikim na ako. At una na nga riyan itong kaniyaki pizza. Imagine takoyaki pero pizza. May real kani bits, bonito flakes at super savory ng flavor na talagang kumakapit sa dough. Yung crust malambot at fluffy, parang freshly baked Japanese bread. Then I also ordered the all-meat pizza, meaty goodness in every bite. Siksik sa toppings like pepperoni, ham and beef, juicy, flavorful at perfect yung balance ng smokiness at herbs, whereby each meal feels like a full meal. At syempre, hindi rin pwedeng palampasin ng classic cheese pizza. Yes, it is simple yet super rich and creamy ng cheese. Tapos pwede mo rin lagyan ng kaunting hot sauce to add a little bit of kick. At ang crust, malambot hanggang dulo, walang tapon, pati yung puwit ng pizza, ubos. O ano, natakam din ba kayo? What are you waiting for? Tikman nyo na ang next level na sarap ng Deli's Cheese Dough by Chef Rice for a better pizza experience. Screenshot this part for your price reference. Yun lang, note, please continue to like, share, and follow me for more.